Is it going? I think it's going. Hi guys! Okay, so today it's freezing. It's 2 degrees. If my camera would... Oh my god, I can't even deal with this stupid camera. Focus. Focus. Okay, there we go. Okay, it's 2 degrees in Ohio right now. So the Explorer hates we're not taking the Rendezvous because I broke the windshield wiper. So we have to take the Explorer today. So I'm gonna start it, and it hates the cold, so this ought to be fun because it starts really slow whenever it's cold. So let's see how it does today. Okay. See, it really hates the snow. It really hates the cold. It starts every time, just a little bit slow. And as you can see, that's even a little bit optimistic. It's 2. It was -2 yesterday. -5 actually, what my phone said. So that was a frigid startup. Frigid. I mean, it's freezing right now. This is just a sheet of solid ice. The hell? That's new. This is just a sheet of ice. And usually it never freezes like this. So that's how cold it is.